Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about Hyliion Stock, about its 22% rally this week, hitting the $24 and if I think it's a good buy. Before going to the video, I will ask you to subscribe and like the video as it helps me a lot. So let's start by quickly explaining what Hyliion is. So Hyliion is an American company specialized in Class 8 electrification. This means that they are creating electric and hybrid powertrains for heavy trucks. So they apply hybrid electric technology to existing Class 8 trucks in a cost-effective way. The company has two product lines, the hybrid diesel and CNG and the Hypertruck ERX. The diesel one consists of a system that turns an existing diesel truck into a hybrid enjoying of lower emission, lower fuel cost and a better driver experience. The CNG gets more power out of Class 8 natural gas vehicles, helping them tackle difficult climbs and improve driver experience. The Hypertruck is a complete electric drivetrain for Class 8 trucks. The innovation is that it doesn't require a huge battery pack, because the Hypertruck system is designed to be recharged while the truck is underway, via a natural gas powered generator or a hydrogen fuel cell. When fully loaded, the Hypertruck can travel over 1300 miles, about 2100 kilometers, charging its batteries en route, and can be refueled in 10 minutes or less. It has a lot of advantages, like having the lowest 7-year total cost of ownership that is unmatched by any diesel or battery electric Class 8 truck, and it also doesn't need any new infrastructure. The Hypertruck provides an acceleration of 20 seconds from 0 to 60 miles per hour or 0 to 100 km per hour. Hyliion doesn't have much competition because companies like Tesla or Nikola produce zero-emission Class 8 trucks, but Hyliion install their products on existing trucks, so they don't produce the trucks, which is a big positive point for Hyliion, because it works on any existing Class 8 truck. Even if you want to compare these companies, as you can see, Hyliion has better range, payload capacity, lower refuel and ties with Tesla on performance. About costs, you can see that Hyliion has the lowest cost after 7 years of ownership. I would like to say that this doesn't mean that Tesla trucks or Nikolas won't succeed, because the future market is huge, and all of them have their reasons to succeed. Right now, if you want to buy Hyliion, you will need to buy Tortoise Acquisition Corp, trading with the ticker symbol SHLL, because Hyliion is not a public company yet. The merger between these companies was announced on 19 June, and it's expected to happen in September. Don't worry if you don't know what a merger is and why companies do it, because I'll explain in another video. So Tortoise will merge with Hyliion. The merged company will be named Hyliion Holding Corp, and the former Tortoise shares will trade under a new ticker, HILN. About the 22% rally this week, it can be explained by different factors, as the approach of the merger, the EV hype, and the news of other EV companies. Despite this 22% week, I think in the next few weeks it may get back to the $19–20 range, and I think it is a good buy. Hyliion has a bright future, as every day we get more worried about the sustainability of our planet, and green energy is the future. Bringing Andrew Card, the former US Secretary of Transportation and White House Chief of Staff, to join the board of directors is also a good sign for Hyliion. For last, Hyliion CEO Thomas Haley is also a CEO that transmits confidence because of his work ethic. Talking a little bit about their financials, they are expected to have 20 hybrid electric units sold this year and 15,500 in 2024. The Hypertruck is expected to have its first 2500 units sold in 2022 and in 2024 about 19,000 units. This will take their revenue from $1 million in 2020 to more than $2 billion in 2024. This value will only represent a little bit more than 2% of the addressable market. Be aware of Hyliion in the next weeks, because as it gets closer to the merger, the stock volatility will be higher, and I expect the price of the shares to go considerably up after the merger. That's all for today. If you want another more in-depth video about Hyliion, the Hypertruck and their financials, leave a like and comment. Please don't forget to subscribe and help me by hitting that bell button below. See you!